All right, everybody. Sean here. Want to share this with you. Nice Christmas present. Came home at 7 p.m. and we've seen 3 new additions. These guys are no more than an hour old. It's my purebred Chihuahua. Had 2 black puppies and 1 spotted guy. That spotted guy we are going to be keeping. And I'm going to be doing a lot of blogging on that, so you'll be able to follow the videos and follow it grow up. Not sure at this point if it's a male or female. I don't want to disturb them to move or anything, but like I said, we're going to be posting a lot of videos, so you should get that update shortly. Don't have any names picked out at this point, but if you guys have any suggestions, please post them below. Thank you for watching, and more to come soon.